ni Ukami.
For you. Oh, it's for me.
We're trying to buy the car battery here at Costco. What's that? It's a lot of car batteries. Look at the toes tires. So many tires. Raphael, come back here.
Yeah, so, I mean, you could go with the 35, it is a little bit smaller. But
Raphael.
and it is 60 co-cranking ounce less. So, I mean, if you take, is it outside? Okay, that guy there.
So that one is the battery that we need. Oh, there's so many batteries. So many batteries, but we only need
And
this.
so many tires.
So many tires.
Yeah, you can return the...
$188.99.
One eternity later.
We're here at Costco. Party. So, dance. Daddy, you need to buy this. Raphael is dancing. Go. Daming binibenta dito. Pati yun.
A few moments later.
Can you read the story, right? Can you read the story, right?
Mm-hmm. You look like a llama. A llama pajama. We're going up, up. So, makakita kami ng Shin Ramyun Premium Unlimited Golden. Okay, lutuin niya daw yung shrimp later. Okay, I got it. Si Raphael tulog.
Parang yung limited edition on yung design po.
Limited edition.
Parang limited edition.
Oh, may nakita kong chocolate. Welcome to Costco. Ang daming ganap.
2,000 years later.
Hi! So, we're done shopping at Costco. Nag-washroom na rin siya. Nagkasya naman sa aming maliit na sasakyan. At nakabili ako ng reading glasses.
Napapasagin.
Nababasagin. 1.5.
On lock.
Lock in. Lock. Mano-mano tayo ngayon. Let's go home. It's only, what, 4:26 p.m. And we're heading home na. 3 hours of driving. So, makauwi kami ng around 7.
Oh, yeah, 4.
Yes. Home, yeah, 4:30.
Nga pala.
Yes, sir.
Pagkadaan dito. Dito tayo, no?
Oo naman.
Dito tayo.
May pupunta ka ba?
Para dito, donate yung pauwi.
Sarado na ang mga mall. Alamang, hindi pa. Alas 6 pa yung mall eh. Pero
Gas
hindi na-
tayo?
Ha?
Gas tayo?
Magagas kami. Yes.
Tayo. Siguro dito, 21.
Okay, let's go. Yeah! So, papagas muna tayo. So, murang-murang 121 dito sa Costco gas pump station. Raphael, Kuya Usher, pagod na. Makabili kami ng aming mga baon sa eskwela. Mga paborito ni Paeng. Paborito ni Kuya Usher. Ano pa ba?
Kailangan makabalik tayo doon para pa-left.
Oo, basta kailangan nating bumalik doon. Kasi dito, mag-u-turn tayo pakalayo-layo. Okay, let's go. Let's go! And we are home. We're back in town. Parang umalis tayo ng Chetwin, madilim. Pagbalik natin, madilim pa din.
So, yan.
Saya-saya. It's already 7:59.